guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited. I'm going to be creating 3 different eras looks for you guys for the Taylor Swift concert. I wanted to create some really simple eyes for us more mature women who just kind of want to wear something a little bit lighter, and these are easy to follow along with tutorials. So I did Lover, Midnights, and this is Lavender Haze or Speak Now. So yeah, I wanted to create some of these looks because I am going to the concert this month. I cannot believe it. My best friend in the whole wide world surprised me with tickets on my birthday, and I am still in shock, in surreal mode. I will not believe it until I'm there standing watching the concert. So I just wanted to kind of create some looks for you guys. So this is kind of like a part 1. I think I'm gonna do some more looks on a different video. It's pretty time consuming to wash off all your makeup and put it back on again. And yeah, so if you guys want to see the looks that I created, then just keep watching. All right, I'm going to start with the era Lover. I feel like this is a good starting point if you don't have an idea of what era you want to do. I feel like Lover is the most fun. It has the bright pinks and all the like pastels and just sequins, and you could just easily put something together with Lover. So I'm going to start off with that era, and like I said, I'll do a few of the eras in one video, and then I'll do a part 2 of another. I don't know if I'll get through all of the albums, but I'm just going to give you guys some ideas of what to do, or if you just want to wear this makeup wherever. So I'm going to go in with Wet n Wild Pinch Me Pink, and I've seen this technique before. The first time I saw it, Wayne Goss was doing it, so it's really cute, pink, rosy cheek, and you get that blush up onto the upper brow bone as well. So we're going to get a big fluffy brush, and we're just going to kind of start swirling in a circular motion on the apples of the cheeks and up onto the brow bone, and it just gives you that flushed pink look. Super cute, super soft, and in person this is definitely popping more. I don't want to use something extremely bright, but definitely, so you can just kind of pop that out on the upper part of the cheekbone as well. You can see it out on the outer corner. So just that really flushed pink look, really pretty, really soft. Now that we have that flush on our cheeks and up on our brow bone, I'm taking this brush from e.l.f. This is an angled eyeliner brush. So you want something really, really tiny, really petite, and a very creamy blush. You could even use a lipstick if you want. I'm going to go in with the Rare Beauty blush in the shade Lucky. This is a very, very bright pink, and I'm just going to go on and get a little bit. I'm going to try and freehand this as best as I can. If you get a stencil, that probably would work even better. So I'm just going to draw little heart on my cheek, up on the upper cheekbone. Okay, I'm going to try not to talk for this because I have to really concentrate. So cute. You could even color one in. if you want, or leave them plain. I'm gonna go in and do the other side. I want to let the hearts dry a little bit, and now I'm gonna go in with What a Brat Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter from Fenty Beauty. This is the most pink, most iridescent, bright, like bubblegum, pretty highlighter that you can get. So we are gonna go in with that and a fan brush and just pop that up on top of the cheeks, over top of the heart so that they're sparkling. This will kind of set them as well. Do a little on the nose. I'm gonna take some on my finger and put it on my Cupid's bow. All right, you could definitely go in with more eyeshadow, more of a pink eyeshadow look if you want a bigger impact. I think this is just a really pretty soft look. I went in with Electric Mood, the Fair lip gloss. This is like iridescent, so I just wanted something iridescent, like a sparkly disco ball on my lips. Nothing too extreme, but how pretty is this? Perfect, light, and airy for lover. We are gonna do Midnights now. This could be also Vigilante, S-H-I-T, because we're gonna try and draw the cat eye sharp enough to kill a man. So my suggestion is to go in with your liquid liner first. You can always go in over top again. Using eyeshadow as a guide, you could do that first and then go over it with liquid liner. I'm going to start with my liquid liner so that I can clean up the edges, and then I'm going to go in with my shadows. So I'm just going to pull my eye taut. My skin is aging, just needs that help. Come down towards the eye. And then just flick it out like that. And this is all I'm really gonna need for the eyeliner. Like, I just wanted that little wing right there. The eyeshadow was gonna do the rest. One eye is always easier than the other. We can come out farther with it now that our eyes open. Once the liner is dry, you can go in with the eyeshadow. So I'm using this palette from Revlon, the little quad here. This is so fierce. These eyeshadows are so buttery. So I'm gonna go in with the lightest shade first. These are all like iridescent, foiled, shimmery colors. This is like a nice kind of more on the cooler side taupe, like a really neutral taupe. So I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to pat that on the lid. I'm going to kind of go all over the lid with this. On the lid, up on the brow bone. Now I'm going to go in with the blue tone. I am going to go in with the Jaclyn Morphe brush. This is the JH40, so it is a smaller, more pointy dome brush, so you're going to have more precision. And I'm going to go in with that blue. I'm going to hold the eye taut, and I'm just going to go along my lash line. And you can follow out along the eyeliner. And just pat, 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 so that it just kind of blends up onto the lid. We're keeping the concentration of the color closer to the lash line, and then just pat away just to kind of blend it up. Now I'm going to go back in with my liquid liner and just thicken this line a bit. Just make it pop a bit more. I'm going to pull the eye taut. And you can even use your fingernail to clean up the edge of the eyeliner. We're going to put our mascara on, but we're going to focus more of the mascara on the outer corner. I'm not going to go into the inner corner. Because I want that really angular cat eye look. If you want to enhance the cat eye a little more, you can go in and put a little line right near the tear duct and the inner corner, and that'll just sharpen the look of the cat eye. And I just went in with Juvia's Place, the lipstick in the shade Libra. You can use whatever nude, peachy nude lipstick you want, whatever kind of nude you want to go with this look, but this is the final look for Midnights. Really simple, easy to do, only a couple steps. All right, lastly for this video, I am gonna do Speak Now, or could go for Lavender Haze because it's going to be a purple look. So I'm getting out my Buxom Ashley K Home palette, and I am going to take a fluffy dome brush and I'm going to go in with Royalty first. And we are just gonna start in and above the crease. And we can even pull the eye taut for this. So we're dipping into the crease and just hovering above it. So we get that pop of purple. You can even lift your brow too. It'll give you a smoother line all the way across. Now I'm going to take my Jaclyn JH40 brush and go into Royalty. And I'm going to go along the lower lash line. You can even dip into the crease as well on the outer corner, just to give you a little more pop of color. You can also go in and just blend the color up with a clean brush onto the brow bone a little bit more. Now that we have this nice blank space on the lid, we're gonna go in with Major, which is the foiled shimmery color to go along with this matte purple. We're just gonna start packing that down on the lid into the crease to join up with the dark color. And if you want it to be a little bit more impactful, go in with the finger and just pat that on the lid. We're going to take Major and we're going to wing that out a little bit. I like bringing in some of the bright colors along the outer corner, and it just adds a little pop between the lower lid and the crease color. Now I'm going to go in with the light gold color Living. I'm going to go in with my finger, and I'm just going to pat that in the middle. Just to give sort of a halo effect. Now we can go again in with Major and the fluffy brush and just add a little bit more impact up on the brow bone. All right, I just tight lined and put on a little bit of mascara. You can add false lashes if you want, some eyeliner if you want, and just I went with a nude lip. So this is the final look for either Lavender Haze or Speak Now or whatever you want it to be. Taylor's favorite color is purple, so it will just go with the vibe. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will definitely get onto another video and do some more Eras album looks for you guys. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.